Cami, I know sight reading has always been a passion for you. That's how you found Piano Marvel. You were looking for better tools to help you teach sight reading in your own studio. How do you feel about this work that Dr. Cordoba's doing with sight reading?
I found out about Dr. Cordoba at the Piano Marvel Teacher Conference where he presented on sight reading and the science that is coming out that's new that he is experimenting with and has worked with students with, and his own sight reading skills are so cool that when I found out he was putting together a sight reading protocol, I wanted to be part of it immediately because I knew this is going to be a game changer. I already know that Piano Marvel is a super powerful tool because I use it in my teaching. But when I thought coupling Dr. Cordoba with Piano Marvel and all of this science and research, I just felt like it's going to unlock for a lot of people what they haven't been able to unlock in their sight reading skills. So I am super pumped that he's doing it and super excited that I get to be involved in the project. I'm really excited about it.
There is a widespread belief that sight reading is a talent. You have it or you don't. But the research says otherwise. Years of studies have shown us what expert readers do differently, how they work as musicians, how they move their eyes, how they process the information in the written score. And they have led us to one understanding. Sight reading is a library, and libraries are built. That's what we do at the Prima Vista Lab, a 14-week program dedicated to build that library through science-based practices, live, group and individual coaching sessions, and Piano Marvel as our main learning platform. Enrollment information and the giveaway details are below.